Write an equation in slope-intercept form of the line that passes through 3, -5 and has a slope of -1. There are two things that we need in writing the equation of a line. One is the slope, which is already given, -1, and we also need the y-intercept, which is still missing. So the first thing that we need to do is identify the y-intercept using the slope-intercept form y is equal to mx plus b. And the y-intercept here is the b value. The given point 3, -5 is the value of the x and y. And the slope -1 is the value for m. Now we can substitute the x, the y, and the m value into our slope-intercept form. So our y value is -5, our m is -1, and our x is 3. So from here, we can solve for the b or the y-intercept. So now we have -5 is equal to -3 plus b. Doing the inverse operations, we can add 3 to both sides. So this means that b value is -2. So since our slope is -1 and the y-intercept is -2, to write the equation in slope-intercept form, we substitute the slope m -1 and the y-intercept b -2. So the equation of our line is y is equal to -1x or -x plus b or -2. So y is equal to -x minus 2 is the equation of our line. Another method to solve this problem is using the Pointslope form. Y minus y1 is equal to m, which is the slope, x minus x of 1. And 3, -5 is our x of 1, y of 1, and -1 is the slope. So now we substitute our x of 1, y of 1, and m into the Pointslope form. We have y minus y of 1, which is -5, is equal to m, -1, and x minus x of 1, which is 3. Minus -5 is the same thing as plus 5. So now we have y plus 5 is equal to, distribute the -1, we have -1x, -1 times -3, that's positive 3. Changing this into y equals mx plus b form, we subtract 5 to both sides of the equation. 5 and -5 is 0, so the equation now is y equals -x minus 2. So this is the slope-intercept form.